Hi beauties, welcome back. Mixsoon Bean Cream has become an indispensable part of my skincare routine, and for good reason. This highly moisturizing and nutrient-rich cream delivers intensive moisture care while balancing my skin's oil and moisture levels. Enriched with fermented soybean extract, Mixsoon Bean Cream provides hydration without any greasiness, leaving my skin feeling soft, supple, and refreshed. The Lactobacillus. Soybean ferment extract ensures that my skin remains beautifully hydrated throughout the day and night, making it a perfect addition to both my morning and nighttime skincare routines. One of the standout features of this cream is its ability to smooth and firm the texture of my skin. With ingredients like Lactobacillus punica, granatum fruit ferment extract, and Saccharomyces barley seed ferment filtrate, it helps to reduce dead skin cells and revitalize my complexion, leaving it looking and feeling rejuvenated. I also appreciate the inclusion of antioxidant-rich fermented pear and vitamin-rich fermented barley, which strengthen the vitality of my skin and reinforce its natural barrier, keeping it firm and glowing. The gentle exfoliating effect of fermented pomegranate ensures a smooth and soft skin texture, while the lightweight and soft cream texture easily blends into my skin, locking in hydration without any greasiness or heavy residue. Furthermore, I'm delighted to know that Mixsoon Bean Cream is cruelty-free, vegan, and formulated free of artificial fragrance, drying alcohol, and mineral oil. It's suitable for all skin types, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile moisturizing cream. Overall, I highly recommend Mixsoon Bean Cream to anyone with sensitive skin or anyone looking for an effective moisturizer that delivers visible results. Give it a try and experience the difference it can make for your skin.